फ्राइड चिकन कौन सा वाला पता नहीं, 65 बटर चिकन, पनीर बटर मसाला।
What is up, people? So we are heading towards Tumkur Road today. Okay, so it's 6:35 now. So and the meeting point is Parleji Toll Gate. So we'll have to be there by 8 o'clock. Let's see if I reach there by 8. Yeah, I will. I'll reach before 8, I guess. Chalo, let's move then. As you know, today we have planned for a night dinner ride at Tumkur Road, Duns Dhaba. So this is a new place for the DOCB guys. So let's see how this place is, and how the food is at this place. Okay, why am I going so slow, man? Come on. This is one of the most jammed place at peak hours. So it's Saturday today, and I think that's why there's less crowd in this road. Okay, filtering. So at the peak hours, if you do not filter through the traffic, you will definitely be late. The Parleji factory here. So we reached here at like 7:43.
खाना कैसा था? कैसा है?
60% अच्छा, 40% थोड़ा सा ओके।
क्या पसंद आया?
फ्राइड चिकन की जो वैरायटी जितनी भी थी वो पसंद आई। चिकन 65 और चिकन चिली ब्लैंड है पूरा,
ब्रांड है ना?
मज़ा नहीं आया, बट बाकी चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं आती।
हमें लस्सी पे कर रहा था वे। ये 65 है, 65 है। इट्स लाइक ओके। हाँ, चिकन चिली था जिसमें चिल्ली कम और चिकन ज़्यादा था। चिकन कुछ था बट फ़ायदा नहीं था।
वीडियो दिखाओगे क्या उसको लास्ट में?
ये दो प्राणी वेज खाने वाले हैं, वेजिटेरियन है आज के लिए। सो ये क्या खा रहे हैं आज? ये घास है, कुछ खा चुके हैं।
आई एम शान, फर्स्ट राइड ऑन DOCB।
हाउ आर यू फीलिंग, शान?
Very excited. Now I'll never miss a ride.
ये पुराने प्राणी हैं अपने DOCB के।
पता नहीं कौन सा राइड है, बट बहुत राइड कर लिया DOCB के बाद। एंजॉय करें।
नवीन
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ DOCB ಬಂದು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಮಂಚೂರಿಯನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆದರೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಂಡೇ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
परेशान हो
हाय, मेरा नाम शाहबाज है। फर्स्ट राइड है
DOCB के साथ।
अभी वो तो 1 साल का भी नहीं हुआ
और अच्छा लग रहा है।
वो भाई बोलता है।
सो बेसिकली हमने क्या ऑर्डर किया था? हमने ऑर्डर किया था चिकन कबाब,
चिकन चिली, फ्राइड चिकन कौन सा वाला पता नहीं, 65 बटर चिकन, पनीर बटर मसाला,
गोभी मंचूरी, चना मसाला, पनीर बटर चिकन, बटर पनीर।
हमने सब ऑर्डर किया।
विप्रो गेट की तरफ जाते होंगे, ये वहाँ से लेफ्ट है। इतना सुंदर नहीं है मेरा प्लेट। अरे हड्डियाँ हैं, वो क्या दे रहा है? कुछ तो शर्म करो।
जिसको आए शर्म उसके फूटे करम।
So we are done with our dinner thing. So we are all lined up, and we'll be leaving in like 5-10 minutes now. So Tilak came late, so he'll be staying here with his friend. So guys, chalo, then we'll see you in Bangalore. Tilak, any notes? Right side. Okay. So we're done with the night ride. Meeting point was at the Parle-G toll gate. So we reached there at 7:45. I was like there, and then we started our ride at 8:20 exactly. So we just gave like 10-15 minutes for other people to join us. So, and we just had our small introduction. There were 3 new riders in for the DOCB group. So yeah, a small briefing happened to the new riders, and so our the reaching point at Dhaba was around like 9:30, and we reached there by like 9:20, 22, something like that. Yeah. So about the dhaba name was Dhoon Dhaba, Dhoon Dhaba. Okay, Dhoon Dhaba in it is in Tumkur Road. It's exactly 41 kilometers from the meeting point, that is the Parle-G toll gate, and from the Parle-G toll gate my home is like 33 kilometers. So I'm almost, yeah. About the hotel ambience, I would give just 2 out of 5. They just had that North style khatia and something. Khatia, we say khatia in North India. So the sitting position was like different than the other hotel. That's it, nothing else. Yeah, it is a dhaba. We can't expect more, but still the hygiene and the other stuff was not up to mark what we expected. And the food like they had very less varieties. I think they had only 4 chicken starters. There was like chili chicken, chicken kebab, chicken pepper. 65 was good, and pepper chicken was good. The other 2 was like okay. We didn't feel the Punjabi tadka kind of thing in any of their food. And we also then these are the starters which we actually ate, and we also repeated few. There was chicken 65, egg chili, and one more thing, chicken pepper dry. So these are the things we repeated. After that, veg guys, we had they took paneer chili, and the second one was gobi manchuria. So then yeah, lassi is actually a mandatory when we visit any Punjabi dhaba. We can't miss lassi. So lassi again, nothing so special about lassi which we drank. To be frank, we get better lassis at Karnataka restaurant. This place. There was nothing great to tell about this place. So we had ample space for parking, but I think that's because most of the truck people in the night they stop there for their whatever lunch, dinner, or that's pretty much about the Dhoon Dhaba. So overall, I would give just 3 out of 5. Really not that satisfied. Yeah, and that's it. After that, we left the place early. It was not that too early also, because we had a couple of riders riding to other places this morning. So we thought at least they should have like 3-4 hours of sleep before they leave. So we just left there, and now it's like 1:20 here. So I'll be reaching home in like 5 more minutes. So this is all about today's ride. Yeah, I hope the new guys who were riding with the DOCB first time liked the ride. We didn't speed up because it was night and there were too many trucks. And it's good to be slow in the night rides. So this is all about the night ride which we had today. So yeah, and good to see all the riders with complete gears, and appreciate Shan because he just went to get all his gears before this ride, and he was fully geared. Good to see him with full gears and yeah, other riders were like, yeah, when everyone were like fully geared and maintained our DOCB discipline. Okay, that's all, guys. That's all from me. Hope you liked the vlog. I know there are many things missing in the vlogs. I will try to add next time.